Okay, so the good people at Worx have kindly sent me this lovely strimmer. I'm not going to show you me taking it out the box, because who wants to see me open a box and take stuff out? That's just stupid. But I will show you how it goes together, and it's really simple. So out the box comes the main body of it, a little wheel attachment, come with 2 batteries, the guard, and a little flimsy charger, which I'm not very impressed with that charger. I prefer one that sits on the worktop and you slide the batteries in, but I suppose that'll do the job. So we need to put the guard on, so pull them bars forward, and then take this little screw out. Unfortunately this screwdriver doesn't come with it, but you can also buy this from Worx. Take the little screw out, slide the guard on till it clicks, and put the screw back in. And then the wheel kit just slides onto there until you hear the little click. That's it, set up, ready to go. Now that stop, that shows you how long your string is. So it cuts to the length of the blade, which is about 12 inches. So it's 6 inches either side, so the whole width is 12 inches. And that is so you don't cut through your plants. So it's really easy to adjust. Undo that. If you're slightly taller, you lock it in. Then the handle, push that button in, and that can go in all different positions. And then the head, that tilts up to 90 degrees for awkward areas. And it's also got what's called a command feed. Now I've never seen this before, but apparently you can push that button and it will feed out more string, or there's a button on the spool, you press that, a little bit more comes out each time. And if you've took too much out, simply push in them 2 pads. That takes that cap off, gives you access to the spool. So just wind that back on. Put that back into position, and that's also how you refill the spool. Put that cap back on. So let's put it through its paces and see how good it is. It's fairly quiet as well. So when you're done using it, it folds up to a very neat little package. Don't forget to take the battery out just in case kids start messing about with it or anything. So there we have it, a great little strimmer. It did struggle a little bit with the long wet grass. I've let the lawn get a bit overgrown because I'm doing these couple of review videos, so I'm going to review the lawnmower in the next video, so stay tuned for that. All in all, a great little tool and highly recommended. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.